What's going on, options traders? Welcome back to another video. This past week, we've had such great harvests. I'm talking about some of our biggest winners like BITO from 24 to 105, UPS from 5 to 68, Snap from 5 to 50, and Twitter from 3 to 33. But beyond this past week, I want to show you how consistently profitable we are on a larger time frame in all of 2022, which has been a very tricky year. First, if you've watched our previous videos, you know by now that we are big believers of buy low, sell high, and these trades I just showed are the epitome of our philosophy. And as you know by now, how much we emphasize knowledge of spreads, which is important because they let us trade in a way that allows us to control size, an important quantifier in every one of our trade alerts, such that we can progressively harvest winners as they run. Now, if we combine these two concepts, what does our equity curve end up looking like over a longer period of time? Well, it looks something like this. This is the plot of our equity curve or harvest over time for all of our official premium trade alerts this year. Every opening trade alert, every adjustment alert, every closing trade alert, essentially every transaction, it's all plotted here. If the transaction costs a debit, you see a downtick. If it receives a credit, you see an uptick in this chart. Now, what's the trajectory here that you observe? That's right, steady up and to the right. Yes, there are small dips here and there, but in general, the trend is up. And that's because of our ability to stay consistent with our strategies and our trading philosophy. Our philosophy of buy low, sell high, small losers, big winners that naturally and ultimately result in a chart that clearly illustrates positive expectancy. This, guys, this is just a beautiful thing for those who love steady gains for the long run. Never mind all the noise out there with the $100 to $1 million full port challenges, blah, blah. I'm talking steady account growth for those who are serious, real traders who want to treat trading as a business. Look, I know many of you have been struggling this year. I just keep seeing traders trying to figure it out on their own, following a new THRU here and there, buying a new analytics or charting tool, adding flashy indicators and whatnot. I'm sure many of you can relate, and we get it. You know, our veteran traders have all done that. So we know what you're going through because we went through the exact same process over 10 years ago. But if you've paid attention to our previous videos, you know that doing that is just a waste of time because it only optimizes at best 5% of the equation to success, meaning it'll only get you 5% of the way to your destination. The other 95% is what we know that no one else talks about. So not only do we want to show you what that is, but also we want to help you shortcut the process to discovering that 95% because we know time is valuable. All right. So if you want to keep rearranging deck chairs on the Titanic, by all means, carry on as you were. We would understand. But just know that whenever you're ready, the lifeboat that we're on, it's waiting for you. All you have to do is first recognize that you're on the Titanic, and second, do something about it. Once again, you know where to find us. We'll see you on the other side.